The maintenance of a pump is also very crucial. First, the wearing parts of the pumps are belt, wearing rings, oil filter and air filter. Among these, there are several parts which need to be refueled in time. The first one is vacuum pump. The oil of a vacuum pump needs to be changed per 3 months. At the same time, we need to pay attention to its oil level. Refuel it in time when the oil is not enough. Second and third are mechanical seal oil and bearing oil. They also need to be refueled when they are not enough. By checking the oil level from the oil level gauge. Mechanical seal oil and bearing oil are both 46 machine oil. The bearing oil needs to be changed per 6 months. The maintenance period of a bearing is 1 year. Finally, the maintenance of a diesel engine. Please refer to the diesel engine operation manual.